Okay, we've got we have lot P-1002, which is a John Deere 1445 four-wheel drive Series 2 diesel powered, I guess I would call it a front deck mower, but of course these are designed for various attachments. So you got a quick attachment system there for like plows and you know, snow blowers and whatever you've got. So anyways, I'll just wander around this one. The enclosure on this one's in pretty rough shape. Four-wheel drive right there, Series 2 four-wheel drive. Operator seat in you know, decent condition. Hour meter on this one, I'll have to climb in there to get it. Just a sec. 3,197.8. A little bit hard to read, but it's there. Really haven't tried all the controls. Here's the panel system there has been removed. That's your switch panel. That's right here. Kind of hanging here on the side. Wire caging here is kind of damaged. Tires appear to be in pretty decent condition. I have not, the reason it's running right now is it does need a boost and a little difficult to get to the battery. It's under the seat. Seat folds forward. You got to hook up your jumper cables way in there. That's a little bit tough to do. But, you know, so I didn't really want to try and do that while we were, you know, videoing here. Oh, I thought I could get that from this side. Let me see here. So yeah, so the controls are up and down. As you can see, there's all the shift levers there, throttle. And I'll just pop the hood here. Kind of hard to see the motor. It's tucked underneath the seat some. Quite a dent right in there, it looks like. Oh, maybe that's the way it's actually been molded. Anyways, this is selling unreserved. This is a government surplus item. It is selling unreserved in our September 13th, 2023 online auction. It is a government surplus and estate auction with a whole bunch of vehicles and equipment, and of course this mower or power unit. It's a John Deere 1445 Series 2 four-wheel drive. Highest bid wins. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.